Hey guys, hope you're all okay. In today's video, I'm going to be doing makeup. Don't really know what to say. Haven't been doing one of these in a really long time. The lighting is really funny. The backdrop's really weird because it's not a proper backdrop, obviously. But my bed's a mess and my whole room's a state behind it, so I had to put something there to make it look, I don't know, okay enough. But yeah, let's get started. All the products will be using will be listed in the box thing below because yeah, it's just easier that way. I literally haven't been able to get through a day of lockdown without having Coke. Not using Coke, jeez. No, the drink. Right, so how is everyone? How's everyone been? I know I don't really get many, like, I don't know, views, but you know, for the few people who watch my videos, how are you? Anyways, in Jeffree Star's new palette released, everyone's having a go at him going, oh, it's so insensitive to do it at a time like this. It takes like 2 years or more just to plan makeup and stuff. Like, I get that it's not really, like, obviously with the timing it's a bit dodgy, but like, it's not like he just thought about doing it through this. Like, oh, you know, there's a pandemic, let's release a palette, you know, that says creamy on it. Like, he's not insensitive, jeez. I mean, it's meant to come out months ago. But then all this started anyway. I can't find my proper mirror anywhere, so I'm just using a mirror from a palette. Quite big, but not big enough. But it'll do. It'll do. Because I've been searching for it for ages and I really can't find it. So I was like, you know what? I want to do the makeup look. So, and I haven't been online at all in ages. And I do apologise for that. I really haven't been well since November. Well, since after I did that FX look thing. I wasn't really well before that either, but I was on antibiotics and felt a bit better, so I thought, oh, I'll do a look. And I only just got out of hospital in February, and I'm feeling a lot better, but I just wanted to have a bit of, like, I don't know, me time thing. Just wasn't really wanting to do any videos or anything. But now I do, so yay. It's a pretty good mirror on the this palette, the Morphe one. Which is obviously Jeffree Star because, I mean, this is me. Obsessed. I always seem to do my eyes first before anything else. I really didn't get some inspiration off like Pinterest and stuff, so this looks off Pinterest. So it's not really an original look. But also my boyfriend's been like helping me out finding looks to do, which has been fun. She's like, oh, I'll try this with this colour and that colour. He has no clue anything to do with makeup. He's like, oh, I'll just try these colours. Some of them don't turn out too bad. Others I'm thinking, what are you doing with your life? Like, seriously, why? Because I really do look really, really bad. This colour really is hard to get a lot of pigment out of, so I'm just going to use a bit of pink from this palette I'm using. It's a bit better. And during lockdown I really haven't like done much makeup at all. Right, hang on. Right, I will be right back with the second eye as well. Back in a minute. Bam. See? Wish it was that simple. Next. Oh. I could open back up my mirror. I ordered one of Amazon ages ago. I hasn't, it's like, anyway, checking. Next, I'm using foundation. Oh, I've got to shake it all up. It's probably out of date. I don't really know. Actually, no. I'm really not too sure how long makeup lasts. I use makeup all the time, and I don't know how long it lasts. But I'm like, oh, it's stock product, and I don't really want to throw it out, because I mean, I haven't got a lot of money like these popular YouTubers, or just a lot of people. So I can't keep throwing away foundations for no reason. Now, I've got a lot darker since lockdown, because I mean, it's sunny. I actually have time to just sit outside in the garden and do nothing. So I've been doing that a lot more. And so I've actually got my darker foundation shade, which is like 2, 3, 4, sort of a couple of shades darker than my normal one. And because I remember going to the it's like in England it's called Debenhams, and I got my foundation shade like matched or whatever. She was like, what are you normally? And I was like, I'm like, this shade is like one from the lightest shade. She's like, oh wow. And I'm like, yeah. But now it's like a lot different, a lot darker. And I'm like, I actually look mixed race. Which I am, I'm part Jamaican, part English, so. But for some reason in the winter I go really, really pale. It's funny, like in the winter I look like my mum, and in the summer I look like my dad. I don't even go that dark in the summer. But compared to the winter, I feel a lot darker. Even if I don't actually go that dark, but to me I feel darker. Not being funny, but my skin got so bad during lockdown. I really don't know what's wrong with it. And I've been eating better, because I haven't had like takeaways, because like McDonald's and stuff is closed. Well, it's open now, thank God. But it was really bad. Need a bit more. So I don't know, it's probably just stress, but I don't know what I'm stressing about. I haven't left the house. But I was stressing about the world. But actually 2020 is just getting worse and worse. I really don't get, like, I just don't get what's going on in the world right now, so. Alright, next I'm using concealer. I'm using Tarte, may as well just mention it, because you want to use a lot, because you want to look like a tart. And look fake. Unless you don't look like fake, then you know, put as much as you like on. I like to cover up my massive bags. As my boyfriend pointed out to me once, it was great. I was actually downstairs, and he comes in and goes, oh, you got like a massive bruise under your eye. And I went, what? Have I? How? Well, I'm so clumsy, so I mean, it didn't surprise me too much. And then went to the other room, like under the light, and he was just like, oh, don't worry, it's just your bags. I was like, thank you for that, makes me feel a lot better, thank you. I was thinking, how to make a girl feel good about herself. So she has massive bags. That always does the trick. Like, no. Right. Lovely. I've just got it all over me, so it's great. Right, was it blue or? Okay, blue. Where am I? Oh, I hate that when you're doing your makeup, you got an itch. You're like, don't itch it, don't itch it. It makes things worse all the time. I love doing bright looks. Like, and this is Halloween. That's the only time I actually use dark colours, which is what I can't wait for Jeffree Star's new palette for. Because as soon as it's October, that's all I'm going to be using. Sorry if this video is really long, and if you get bored, just kind of skip along to the end if you just want to see the end result or whatever, because, like, I don't blame you. But I've been on it for ages, and I just like a good chit chat. It's like you're talking to people, but you're not, because yeah. Right. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Magic. Next, I will be using eyeliner. I got this when I was in Birmingham. It's so good. I mean, I don't think it's gonna stay on like all the time, but I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I say that as I can't do it at all whatsoever. There we go. Completely different angles, but it'll do. Right, next I'm gonna be doing contour. I got this in contour like a couple of days ago. No, like last week or something. Just ordered it offline. I actually really like it. Maybe I used it like once. I haven't actually gone anywhere with makeup on, but so I'm getting the hang of it. So if it looks really bad, I apologise. And I'll keep hitting the desk. That's a lot. Oh well, it's okay. Doesn't matter how much you put on and you're not going anywhere. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Or even if you are. If you want to put... Oops. Just put it everywhere I did. If you want to put it all over your face, you put it all over your face, you know? You do you, as my friend says. You do you. Do whatever you want to do. I can't get the lid back on though. It's one of those spinny things. I just like, what happened to just a normal lid? I'll just burn that back out because I don't want it looking too heavy. Powder, because I sweat a lot. My face is so like oily. That's why I love this foundation. Is the and this powder. I use the same powder and foundation because it's just amazing. I got eyeliner on my lip. You know, I should do. Wonder how long that's been there. Right, next, if I can open it. I literally have this cheapest blush ever because I only just started using blush because, I don't know, it wasn't really my thing. I don't think it suited me. But lately, I quite like it. I mean, it's alright. It's a bit, because I only got different shades of blush as well, so I don't know if it's the right shade of blush for me either. Shade. I actually lost it. That just made me insane. Quite literally. Oh god. I hate this flipping highlighter. It's so I broke it. R.I.P. But I tried putting it back together, but it's just very... I mean, it's still so awesome. It's Jeffree Star's highlighter. And I love it. But it's just a mess in the actual thing. Boop, boop. I don't really know where I should put it. I'm going to put it up here. I don't really do that. I'm probably using the wrong brush for it. It's just going to go everywhere, but that always makes me want to sneeze because it's just tickles. The lipstick I'm using today, I've got moist in my lips, is Abused. There we go. And as you can tell, this is not my real hair at all, but I love looking like a catfish. Because, you know, why not? Oh. And here is the finished look. I quite like it. It's very like bright on dark. When it's highlighter. Yeah, I do love this hair. Very like Ariana Grande, like sassy, like what? I love it. Come at me. I love it. Anyway, I hope you like this look. If you recreate it, I don't know, if you watch someone recreate it, my Instagram will be in the link below. Just tag me in it, you know, because I want to see if you can, I don't know, change it up a bit or anything. I don't know, whatever you like to do. But thank you really so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more weird, babbling, random stuff like this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.